Hello and welcome to GCSE Chemistry tutorials for topic C4 chemical changes. This is part 3 looking at titrations and titration practicals. Titrations are used to find out the concentration of an acid or alkali. When carrying out a titration practical, you have to repeat it more than once to get an accurate and average result. You can also spot any anomalous results or mistakes. When you carry out a titration, you do it first time to get a rough estimate of how much you would need, and then the second time you can narrow down the amount you will need based on the first, so it allows you to be more accurate. Titration also uses single indicators, which means they only change to one main colour, so you wouldn't use universal indicator. You might use phenolphthalein, which is colourless in acid and pink in alkaline. Methyl orange is red in acids and yellow in alkali, and litmus is red in acids and blue in alkali. When carrying out titrations, you need the following equipment. You need a glass burette, a pipette and a pipette filler, and a conical flask. And the setup is shown on the right. To this practical, you're going to find out the concentration of an alkali that neutralises an acid. First of all, using a pipette and pipette filler, you would add a set volume of alkali to the conical flask. You'll then add an indicator, in this case phenolphthalein, and it will turn pink. You then will fill the burette with acid and make sure the tap is turned so it's closed. And then using the burette, slowly add the acid to the alkali and swirl the conical flask as you're slowly adding. You need to go really slow as you reach the end point, the point at which the colour changes from pink to colourless. That means the alkali has been neutralised. Then record the volume of acid you use to neutralise the alkali. Now you know the volume, you can repeat and get a more accurate result because you'd go much slower when you got to that amount, so you'd know exactly where neutralisation occurred. In summary, we've looked at titrations. Thank you.